Hi, I'm Clara, and I'm so glad you decided to spend this moment with me. If you are new here, make sure to subscribe to my English Routine channel so you won't miss any of our videos. Today, we're stepping into something simple but powerful, talking on the phone in English, one call at a time. Stay with me because you'll hear expressions like hold on, wrong number, and call back, and they might sound confusing at first. But before we move on, let me ask you something. When someone says hold on the phone, do you think they want you to do something or just wait? Watch closely because during the vocabulary review, it will all make sense. And now, let's follow Jack and see how this conversation begins. Okay, Jack, take a slow breath. You practiced the steps and your voice sounded clear. The phone number you missed this morning is right here. This is your moment.
My heart is walking fast, but my finger is ready. If I disappear, tell my story.
You will be right here. Go ahead.
All right. I am pressing call.
Hello, this is Maya speaking.
Hello, this is Jack speaking. Nice to hear from you.
Nice to hear from you too, Jack. I am calling from the community gym. You left a message on our website this morning.
Oh, right. Yes. Thank you for calling me back.
Of course. How can I help you today?
I wanted to ask about your classes. I am new in the area, and I'm looking for something simple to start.
That sounds great. We have a few beginner classes. Are you interested in morning or evening?
Evening is better for me. After work, my energy wakes up.
I understand that feeling. In the evening, we have a basic fitness class at 6 and a yoga class at 7.
I see. The fitness class sounds good. What is the price?
It is $10 per class, or you can buy a monthly pass for $40.
That makes sense. The monthly pass sounds good if I come often.
Exactly. Many people choose that. Would you like me to book your first class?
Yes, please. That would be helpful.
Great. I just need your full name.
My full name is Jack Miller.
Thank you, Jack. Let me check the schedule. Okay, I have a spot for tomorrow evening at 6.
Tomorrow is perfect.
Wonderful. I will reserve it for you. You will receive a confirmation email.
Thank you. That is very kind.
You're welcome. Is there anything else you need?
Actually, yes, I have one small question.
Sure, go ahead.
Where is the gym exactly? I want to make sure I do not get lost.
No problem. We are on Pine Street, next to the bakery. There's a small parking lot behind the building.
I like bakeries. That will help me remember.
It helps many people. If you see the bakery, you are very close.
That sounds good.
Let me repeat the address slowly for you. Pine Street, number 32.
Pine Street, number 32. Got it.
Perfect. Do you need me to send the location by text message?
Oh, yes, that would be great.
No problem. I will send it to the number I am calling now.
Thank you. I appreciate that.
Of course. Before we finish, do you have any health conditions I should note for the trainer?
Health conditions. You mean like injuries?
Yes, exactly. Anything the trainer should know.
I see. No, I do not have any injuries.
That is good to hear. Then you are all set.
Great.
So just to confirm, you are booked for the basic fitness class tomorrow at 6 in the evening.
That is correct.
Perfect. We look forward to seeing you.
I look forward to it too.
Have a nice day, Jack.
You too. Goodbye.
Goodbye.
Wow. My hand is a little shaky, but my words stayed inside my mouth. That feels like a victory.
It was more than a victory. You handled the whole call.
I am glad you were here with me, even if you were quiet.
Sometimes the best help is just being there. Jack, before we close this chapter, let's slow down for a moment and look back at some of the words that showed up during your call.
Oh, I like this part. It feels like watching my own movie, but with subtitles in my head.
That's a nice way to see it. Let's start with something you heard near the beginning. Do you remember when Maya said she would send you a confirmation email?
Yes, I do. I remember thinking, good, proof that this really happened.
Exactly. A confirmation email is a message that tells you everything is set, this is real. You get it after you book something, like a class or an appointment.
So if I order food online and they send me an email, that can also be a confirmation email.
That's right. It's like a small digital handshake.
I like that. My phone and my computer shaking hands.
Technology can be polite, too.
I will check my inbox with more respect now.
Good. Now, something else you did during the call. You asked Maya to book your first class.
Yes, I did. That word felt important, like I was locking a door behind me.
That's a great image. To book means to reserve a place for yourself. You make sure it is yours.
So I can book a table at a restaurant or book a ticket for a movie.
Exactly. Anytime you want to keep a spot for yourself in the future, you can use that word.
I think I will book a vacation one day. That sounds like a happy word.
It does sound happy. Speaking of choices, do you remember when she talked about the monthly pass?
Yes, that was the moment I felt like a serious gym person.
A monthly pass means you pay one time and you can go many times during the month.
So it's like a key that works every day for a month.
That's a perfect way to describe it.
I like things that feel like keys.
You also asked about the location of the gym.
I did. That word saved me from walking in circles.
Location is just a simple way to talk about where something is.
Like the location of my phone is always in my pocket or sometimes on my bed.
That's very honest. And when she gave you the street name and number, that was the address.
Right. Pine Street, number 32. I said it in my head like a song.
That's a good trick. An address tells you exactly how to find a place.
I feel powerful when I know an address, like I can travel anywhere.
Knowledge is a kind of map.
I like that.
Now, there was a slightly more serious moment. She asked you about health conditions.
Oh, yes. My brain took a short vacation at that moment.
But it came back. Health conditions means things about your body or health that other people should know.
Like if someone has a bad knee or a problem with their back?
Exactly. Or anything that could affect what you do, like exercise or work.
That makes sense. It's like a safety word.
That's a good way to see it.
I felt responsible when she asked that, like I was part of a team.
You were. You were joining a class, and they wanted to take care of you.
That feels nice.
And near the end, she said something very friendly. She said, "We look forward to seeing you."
Yes, that sounded warm, like a door opening.
When you say look forward to, it means you are happy about something that will happen in the future.
So I can say, I look forward to the weekend.
Perfect. Or I look forward to meeting my friend.
I will use that. It sounds positive.
It really is. Now, when I think about your call, all these words were like small bridges. They helped you move from one part of the conversation to the next.
I felt that. At first, it was just hello. Then suddenly I was talking about passes, addresses, and bakeries.
The bakery was an important detail.
Very important.
You handled all of it naturally. That's a big step.
It didn't feel like learning. It felt like living.
That's the best kind of learning.
You know, when I hear these words again now, they feel lighter.
That's because you've used them. They're not just ideas anymore.
They're mine now.
Exactly.
So, what was the hardest word for you, Clara, when you learned English?
For me, it was schedule. I never knew how to say it at first.
Oh, that one is tricky.
It is, but with time, it became a friend. Just like these words will become friends for you.
My English friend group is growing.
And they all met on the phone today.
That's true. A very social phone.
Now, before we finish, let's go back to the question we teased at the very start.
Oh, the mystery word.
Yes, let's finally look at the word we asked everyone about. Hold on.
Ah, that one. I always hear it in movies.
Hold on means you ask someone to wait for a short time.
So it's like saying, please stay right there for a moment?
Exactly. You use it when you need a little time. Maybe you need to find a pen, open a door, or call someone else in the room.
Or when my coffee is about to fall and I need to save it.
Yes, you can say it in many situations, not only on the phone.
So at work, I can say, hold on, I will check that for you.
That's perfect. At home, you might say, hold on, I'm coming.
And with friends, hold on, I need to tie my shoe.
Exactly. It's a very friendly and useful phrase.
I like it. It feels polite, but not too formal.
That's why people use it so often.
I think I used it in my head during the call. I just didn't say it out loud.
Next time, you can. It will give you a little space to breathe.
My voice likes space.
Now, think about your own life for a moment. Where could you use hold on?
When my friend talks very fast, I can say, hold on, can you repeat that?
That's a great example.
Or when my boss gives me many tasks, I can say, hold on, I will write this down.
Perfect. You're already making it yours.
That feels good.
And for everyone listening with us, try to imagine your own moments. Work, school, home, with friends. Where would hold on fit naturally in your day?
Don't just copy my bakery story.
Yes, make your own. Your life probably smells different from bread.
That's true, and that's what makes your example special. I like that. English with your own flavor.
Exactly. Now, before we say goodbye, I want to remind our friends listening with us, if you enjoy discovering words like this in real conversations, subscribe to My English Routine channel and click the bell so you don't miss our next story.
Keep practicing, try your own examples, and enjoy using English in your real life, not just in your head.
We'll be here, walking with you, one call and one word at a time.
And maybe one bakery at a time.
Maybe. See you next time.
Goodbye, everyone, and hold on to your confidence.